Izole to Africa, Izole to Bopogo, from Cape to Cairo, Morocco to Madagascar, no settler can claim an inch of our land. Welcome to the Azanian podcast. We're right here on TikTok, also available Africa on YouTube. Hi morale, high discipline. Today we want to talk about our king, the king of the Xhosas, the king of Azania. Inkosi Aaahh Vulikhaya Sigcawu. Sithi Vulikhaya. On his stance on the importance of traditional leaders being involved in the process of addressing illegal immigration in Azania. As we all know, Africa, the importance and the significance of involvement of traditional leaders in all affairs in our country is very, very much important and welcomed and should always be so. He has made remarks that traditional leaders cannot be left uninvolved or unheard in the stance to fight illegal immigration or undocumented immigrants in Azania. Some of his initiatives include the following, or those he has proposed: community-level monitoring, that is empowering traditional leaders structures in identifying and tracking undocumented foreign nationals. Capacity building, which is providing traditional leaders with resources that are needed to effectively collaborate with Home Affairs. Law enforcement crackdown, which is intensified deportation. And national labor migration policy, which is penalizing businesses and employers that hire undocumented foreigners. He says he has urged government to closely involve traditional leaders in managing illegal immigration. And he has proposed nationwide capacity building program to empower leaders on immigration laws and also to collaborate with other monarchs and to engage regional heads on a border on broader levels and broader communication regarding illegal immigration. So important, so vital that our leaders, our monarchs are engaged and are involved in matters of illegal immigration. This is very much has been very welcomed across the country, and we welcome it here on the Azanian podcast because we put the traditional leaders high on the Azanian podcast, and they should always be respected and involved in all matters of our country. Continue to update on the progress of traditional leaders being involved not only in immigration but on all aspects that are important in Azania. Izole to Africa.